and what resume say I'm for. And they be on see. Why ya?
Uni o kotina kudu si.
O kotina kudu so. Why no? Same kudu. Ono se why?
The why ni ti say king subo.
Ah, same jamfi. Why dey?
So akosi uni aba o.
Akosi uni aba be.
Afia.
Same jamfi asu afia so. Si enyan dey.
So wakaseti ya no.
Same wakaseti ya why ya?
Ono same jamfi no.
Wagu ni din ho fi. Same jamfi. Oso obi agu ni din ho fi. So otonka asema guess. E wo legon. Eti ede abai. To the court for defamation.
Same kodu.
Oh, na say don't get here guys kwase bia timi court. I mean so enyam na make go. Na same jamfo moral turpitude. Bronika se moral turpitude. Same wo ti wi ase. Eti wo da sumye so a wo da. Se woni mpefe se time na wo ye communications officer. Wonya free so kura. Ye beto aba. Entro a wo twa to manfo so. Na obi anfo ankokot. Enya same jamfi na beka say Haptel. Dr. Muhammad Bawumia na ne dia. E wa bra no onim owners of Haptel. Na Dr. Muhammad Bawumia odo kokot. Entro a wo twa to manfo so. Wana do kokot. E di say na atwa bia to so a. Wo so wo kokot. E di akoye de bayi. Ne di agu ne jofi. Na Kwame Sefa kan ka semi na da so ya na. Okay, me wo say chairman general. Okay, yenti the chairman general kan yenti.
He still feels to say assembly would that mean die. Oh, mean die. Keke. Obin say within the home. And Obin Kasim tia or dine no credit. You're growing in politics, in public life. One day, Obi the year of here. When really all you have left is your name, your reputation. Today it may seem very trivial to you. I will say a trivial at the end of me. But one fine day, you will understand. Especially when your children are growing up, you're married, or lawyer Konenim, and I believe, I know you're a smart guy, or lawyer Konenim, politics Konenim. Now we cast him for no credit. You will understand why I'm doing what I'm doing today.
Kwame Sefa kan be wo come for your stone. Edi Kwame ka kire no. Says obi ka bibi fa wona nye no kore. Said wo no twa truck fa Kwame Sefa kan. Kwame Sefa kan fa na kokot. Wo jemene yi. Na ye ne ya. An worker. Na same jamfi. Same dollar. Wo trivialize no. Same gold board. Wo trivialize no. Na Kwame Sefa kan bibi kire no. Se wo nyini. Na abedru baabi. Na all you have left it's your name. Okra the name, you don't have it left. Also a trodier, what you show me a fan. It's what you man a propaganda, you man. Young chat Roman in Ukraine. And I see say, I can't go here, the free court near so good. What are we da? Semesi of Fiaswas nigga. If so, I can be from home.
Now, you see, Uncle.
Now, you see, Uncle, you did my farmer far. Kwamfa bomofo if so hu bomofo ansa
more fire
sameko adia ne yaye ne matantan sameko do na wotimi kokko nti wukura wo da adwene ho se wo kokko tu na wutibu abua wo sai
bisebi mo he
etura wo twa ne kuromu a ana mo adwene na tete sai on se twa nyonko ho a etua dem isabi edan no eye kwan no anka wo dan asa ekwan e wo mayi die etene pa ati se the Supreme Court no aye sa de ye wo mayi atemdidie ne mfa wo mu gate ya no ke bia na wo ma bie flood gate no manfo no su bewuram I'm telling you the people will enter
more fire
media minguram them people no will enter
exactly so praise
it is something we can't go you case in free court na bia wo so kwa didi ya so kwa didi na so one say sa de ma we no oya na chiso de wa choke court na wontimi nkana sembi afia so asne gansu yemfa we hununra wo be wo say kwa sa be didi na tem bebo a wo so asa didi na tem wontimi stop afia na wo pa 10 million afia 10 million etu ani bi when you see more lawyer for more brofu bi amoka when you see a man of straw nothing you will get
exactly
beboa afia so asne gantu 10 million kwa kwatena bridge etu wo so ukosi no sanya lock na abeso lock man kana no tumwa Kaba kwa kwesi no. Fia ma we nwunu abetimi akwa adwene ni aso nkwa di.
Say they will intimidate you.
Floodgate no.
Floodgate them.
Mo ni di atem no. All right, so guys, na raising for ho.
Yeah, no hini. Unye su o.
Menu abaya.
Unye DKB su.
When ye? Who be this?
DKB.
Ahwe na ni su. O se de na ye no.
They say the data no tana sa.
DKB. Na hwene sai. Na hwene sai. DK yentie no.
MTN Ghana, what's the meaning of this? When the data bundle.
Answer Drew. Answer Drew. NDC for so dear. MTN Ghana na ukobusa mo. Akufo personal solution abedi natem. Dike bu trisa box ayo. Answer Drew NDC so dear. MTN Ghana. What be your problem? Is a nyanjo mama na eyi. So dem so wanu aduane bebo. It is all the MTN Ghana. Abe wa hunu say data no. Enye Sam George ne bedwane no. Abe yentie o say MTN Ghana dey.
Was 9 MTN Ghana, what's the meaning of this? When the data bundle for TableNet was 92 gig, the one that Slawusu brought, I could use it for like 6 weeks or 2 months. Watch so many movies. The new one, you said you have brought it back to 214 gig. I just bought one. Less than 3 weeks. It's my second movie I'm watching. Data finish. Yeah, the other one, I watched several movies, watched a whole series, Squid Games, everything. Second movie I'm watching, and then normal daily browsing on phone. Hacker 214 gig. Last for just 3 weeks, 192 gig was lasting for 2 months. See, I'm watching a movie here. See. You can see the merry go round.
Gani unifiso no fanasa. DKB say dey. Time na 99 gig no. Na chema no. Otimi using be 6 weeks. And here Sam George so the 280 aba. Na catch am say azan aba amonti ase. Say wo me kan Kionet aba na na be di matem. No di matem. Afi edru so de all the kwose MTN Ghana. Enye MTN Ghana. What? Kanka ko be so kako. Sam George na ye in charge. Kako.
Because Obi a minister.
Obi a minister. It is a 99 gig. Me betra kan. Say frakadam. Ave wo kikem. Dek. Welcome. DKB. Welcome.
More fire.
We ono so na menua be kase menua. DKB. Politics na titi ni pantamo.
Oh, can you more hini?
Papa.
Ele DKB timi eniti utrisa ayijamu aboa. Tri ono kwa ni tri se de otwi vovu bi na ni tri nti se ni vovu no ana bia
Hey no he
osu kura jai raise de bi and what raise me say am for
on here raise one
raise me raise
abefu tutu
waya
we dey Mugabe o wonder
Steve Wonder why dey
ya bonneto board member
Papa
Steve Wonder
Steve Wonder
agro ni su
Steve Wonder
waje no
Jama ma boy do ai
Mugabe
what na ntwina mu hwe kwa ne bago what na ntwina mu hwe ne ayi empete se hwe Mugabe edi nya asasem na oka no board so jama ma so ya nwanwa Mugabe o kanya asasem bai
Bagabiga no ko
na menua no na menu dey all of a sudden o sha say didi matem o frem na me se memfa where by force atamkuri eno an okwa ne board so Bagabiga
enye we bia no ko ka
na enye we na na edidi Paul admo kire se o ye journalist ane ye na to board so se na enye board na ye na to so no na na ya na mum ye mfo no so ntu so bi ana tama oil refinery ane ye de Mugabe Masi akoto so as board member
more fire
o kwa no asha
What's that? Your boardroom.
Obesere spectacle.
Aye Mugabe Mase.
Obesere spectacle.
You Mugabe, congratulations. Now my buying is serious. What substance does she have to sit on a board? And when we say somebody sitting on the board, the directive of the company, the decision of the company, the vision, the objective of the company, how to drive the company, it is a decision made by the board members.
More fire.
And Mugabe Mase is a board member of Tema Oil Refinery.
More fire.
Mugabe Mase, board member, where decisions are made. Tall. And Mugabe Mase to show.
Oil.
Mobia and Sandy, you may be a printer graphic and a fatano.
Printing press.
Mobia is mini up a new na, and I know to go be or the buyer, my beginning home and just here. The we answer a screenshot him in a personal Facebook, a chat, and what they are called to Facebook. I'm saying, told that Mama politics, Mamu Jimmy, because I was senior, I don't know. I'm a Bunipa. Bobby made a main follow suit for Asemco. I have personal relationship with you. The one country man for the say, met me baby. Anna, a da and this if we didn't cause a similar blue may. Uber Bians, I'm no free and I'm from 2009. Ebe seen there. Frame one day, Kuram Sam said, Charlie, where you day? Yes, yeah. Namitin baby, I now be frame. I Blukuma. Message, you send a message. Charlie, where's your location? I'm coming there. Nam Catcher says it's very sad to see you so as me to come after me. What's who go pai? Go go the pai. From 2009, yeah, and I'm for being there. I been was sending a message, Charlie, where you did your location. When you know, or see where are you at Blukuma? Send me your location. When you know very well, so on Crawford Jimmy Blukuma enough. And you send me a year message. Now, me Catcher say it's sad that they will use you to get to me. Who I could screenshot baby, they are to social media. I won't follow suit. I won't mind you, Bobby. But don't do that again. You are a senior brother. I respect you. And I haven't lost the respect for you for what you've done. But don't do that again. It's not nice. And I know Bekanya say Uncle way or Munian Momono Monko. Answer we can't crazy. Stop that.
More fire. More fire. More fire.
Oh yeah, they are mumu. And yet they obey ye don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't betray me because me I have never betrayed you since we started this game. You don't betray me.
More fire.
There are so many times that people say, don't work with Bobby, don't work with Bobby. Then the time I hear you free, your friend say, as Empire FM. I'm one of the people that stood by you 24/7 till today. Don't do that. Yachi too, me na bejina ho. MPP are buying a chill too, but bejina out till 4 a.m. And they would me screenshot me no personal chat to Facebook just to prove a point when this is wasn't there. And never mobu and stop that. You are my senior brother. Stop it. Don't repeat that thing again. It is wrong. And I could have screenshot the whole Sunday about me send us a message, you know. But me and I'm saying I won't follow you. Me assure you by this time when you shame on you. When me don't do that again.